thecasesolutions.com. Hi guys. This case is about Baldwin Bicycle Company Case Study Solution. Baldwin Bicycle Company Case Study Solution. Baldwin Bicycle Company manufactures bicycles from the last 40 years. It manufactures bicycles of 10 models ranging from small beginners to adult deluxe bicycle. Currently, the company sells its products to independent toy stores and bicycle shops. In 1989, Carl Kroll, a buyer from High Value Stores Incorporated, approached the company. High Value operate in a chain of discount department stores and needs a high volume of bicycles. Therefore, they proposed an offer to Baldwin Bicycles to produce bicycles for them. In their proposal, they included many terms like the company need a high volume of bicycles, the cycles should bear the Challenger name instead for the current brand name, the cycles should be sold at lower price than the current wholesale price of Baldwin, and some other term relating to the payment. Along with this, High Value also want that the bicycles should look different from the current Baldwin bikes. For this purpose, Kroll intends that the company should change the fenders, handlebars, seats, and tire of the bicycle. Moreover, they want that these bicycles should be packed in boxes so that they look different from Baldwin bikes. Suzanne Leister, marketing vice president of Baldwin Bicycles, needs to know that either the proposal is beneficial for the company or not. Furthermore, if Baldwin accepts the proposal, then it has to cannibalize some of its sales. Hence, Leister wants to know the effect of this cannibalization. Moreover, she intends to know the one-off cost which will be incurred in fulfilling this proposal. Along with this, she also wants to know the additional assets, their carrying cost and financial effect of the proposal on the entire company. Analysis. If Suzanne Leister accepts Kroll-Knott's proposal of delivering Challenge line bikes, then from this proposal Baldwin Bicycle Company will earn a profit of approximately $83,480. But for accepting this proposal, company has to cannibalize its existing sales volume by 3,000. This cannibalization will reduce the net income of the company by approximately $1,500. But if we incorporate the income generated from High Value, then the total income which will be earned by the company after the cannibalization will be approximately $334,000. As it is 32.53% greater than the traditional method, therefore, we can say that cannibalization will have a positive impact on the profitability of the company. High Value demanded a different type of seats, fenders, and handlebars. They also needed tires with the name Challengers on them. Moreover, they also wanted that the bicycles should be packed in boxes. Baldwin Bicycles has to spend approximately $5,000 cost to arrange the sources for seats, fenders, handlebars, tires, and boxes. Therefore, this cost is considered as one-time cost. High Value estimated demand is approximately 25,000 bikes, while material used to manufacture the bikes is provided by the supplier in approximately 2 months. Therefore, company needs to manage the material so that it can fulfill the demand of High Value. Furthermore, as High Value pays the outstanding amount in 30 days, therefore, this will also increase the receivables by approximately $192,271. Along with this, the value of work in progress and finished goods is approximately $125,850. Therefore, we can conclude that in result of accepting this proposal, the assets will be increased by approximately $483,954, and the carrying cost of these assets will be increased by $54,902. Conclusion and recommendation. After accepting this proposal, there will be a decrease in the customer base of Baldwin Bicycles. There is also a risk that some other customer may refuse to buy bikes from the company if they know that company is selling bikes to High Value. Therefore, this can further jeopardize the position of the company. But if company accepts this proposal, then it will enter into another market. Hence, company can diversify itself after accepting this proposal, which will also reduce the overall risk of the company and also strengthen the position, profitability of the company. After analyzing the financial results and strategic rewards and risks, we will recommend that Baldwin Bicycles should accept this proposal. But before accepting the proposal, company should renegotiate some of the terms of the contract, like the demand for special tires, as this will increase the overall cost of the bikes. Therefore, The company should try to shift this cost to its buyer so that it can save itself from adverse consequences. Furthermore, in the current contract, the payment term is too broad. This may create problems of working capital for the company. Therefore, it should also renegotiate this term so that it can save itself from any possible issues. This is just a sample partial work. Please place the order on the website to get your own originally done case solution. Please place the order on the website to order your own originally done case solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want any case study, visit our website thecasesolutions.com.